Playfulness. Puppies are known for their playful and energetic nature. They love to run, jump, and engage in games with toys or other dogs. Chewing. Puppies often explore the world through their mouths and may chew on various objects, including furniture and shoes. Biting. Puppy biting is a normal part of their development as they learn bite inhibition. They may nip when playing or teething. Whining. Puppies may whine to express their needs, whether it's for food, attention, or to go outside for a bathroom break. Exploration. Puppies are curious and will often investigate their surroundings, sometimes getting into mischief. Socialization. Puppies need to learn how to interact with other dogs and people. Socialization is a critical part of their development. Potty training challenges. Housebreaking a puppy can be a process, and accidents are common as they learn to control their bladder and bowels. Napping. Puppies sleep a lot, often up to 18 to 20 hours a day, to support their growth and development. Attention seeking. Puppies crave attention and may follow their owners around, seeking affection and interaction. Training readiness. Young puppies are receptive to basic training and can learn commands like sit, stay, and come with consistency and positive reinforcement.